Hey guys, today I'm going to show you 5 trending text effects that are blowing up on social media right now. But before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a like on this video so you don't miss out on more awesome tutorials. Alright, let's dive right in. Cinematic text effect. Drag and drop a text layer onto your timeline and type in your text according to your video topic. For this style, a bold font works best. I'm using Interblack, but you can use any bold font you like. Position your text where it looks best in your video. Now, hold Alt and drag the text layer to make a duplicate. On the top layer, change the color to something darker. I'm using dark gray. Then, right-click that top layer and choose Create Compound Clip. That'll merge it into a single clip. Next, we're going to mask it. Choose Split Mask, then rotate it so the darker shade sits on the lower part of the text. Move the mask slightly down and increase the feather. Not too much, just enough to make it smooth. I set my feather to 28, which looks clean and cinematic. Now, on the bottom text layer, add a little shadow, adjust it, and boom. Your cinematic text effect is ready. 2. Negative text effect. Instead of adding a text layer, go to Captions. Click Auto Captions, then hit Generate. Capcut will automatically create captions based on your voice. Once it's done, delete all the extra layers and keep just one caption layer. Now, type in your text and resize it as needed. I'm using the Poppins font. It's already available in Capcut, but if not, you can easily download it online. Next, go to Text Animations and make sure you're applying it to a caption layer. That's important. Now, look for Side Negative Effect and choose the single-line version. This makes your text appear exactly when you say the word in your voiceover, then disappear. Line it up perfectly with your audio, and you've got a clean, professional negative text. 3. Blended text effect. Now for my favorite one, the blended text effect. Start with a new text layer. Type your text, increase its size, and position it properly. Pick a bold or semi-bold font. Thin fonts don't really look great here. Add a shadow, around 20 to 25, and change the color. I'm going with blue for this one. Turn this text layer into a compound clip. Now, go to Effects and search for Glow. Drag Glow 2 onto your compound clip. Tone it down a bit. I set the glow size to around 12. Then, go to Blend Mode and try out different options. For me, Color Dodge looks perfect. It gives that professional glow finish. But play around with Screen, Brighten, or Overlay to get your favorite look. If you've made it this far and you're enjoying the video, hit that like button and subscribe so I can bring you more awesome tutorials. 4. Glow text effect. Alright, next up is the glow text effect. But this one has a little pro twist. Start with your text layer, type your text, and adjust the size. Pick a fancy or stylized font, something that stands out. Now here's the trick. If you apply a glow directly to your text, it doesn't look clean. It looks kind of weird. So, instead, remove that glow, make your text a compound clip, and then apply Glow 2 from the Effects menu, just like before. The cool part? The glow automatically matches your text color. For example, if I change my text to yellow, the glow becomes yellow too. A little fine-tuning, and your glow text looks professional and polished. 5. Shine text effect. Last but not least, drag and drop a text layer, type your text, adjust the size, and pick a color. I'm going with red. Now, hold Alt plus drag to duplicate the layer, and change the top one's color to white. Convert that white layer into a compound clip. Now apply a mask. Select the film strip style. Set the mask's size between 2 and 4, and feather it around 10 to 15. Rotate it so it looks like a natural shine, and move it across the text. Add a keyframe at the start, then another a few seconds later, and slide the mask across the text. If it feels too slow, move the keyframes closer together. Then, right-click the keyframes and add easing for a smooth animation. And boom! Your shine effect is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new today. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.